Hi, this is Akem Zubar Ferdos, and I'm going to be discussing about the Arduino code part. In the Arduino code part, we're using a DHT tester data logger system, and this we're including a DHT.h type file that is a library in which we are going to derive all the values that are needed for this code to run. We're using the DHT2 pin to connect the data logger system and the circuit of the Proteus. We're using the sensor DHT11, and then we're starting with a baud rate that is 9600. That is the baud rate used in the LabView. And then the void loop starts with a delay of 2000 millisecond, 2 seconds. And then the float H is equal to read humidity, and we read the temperature and if the temperature is true or not. The ISNAN value is calculated if there is any faulty error or there is not a connection between the LabVIEW and the Arduino. And that is as a result, we will send a failed to read from DHT sensor if we cannot read from the sensor. And then we compute the heat index here and the heat index here, that is FH and TH here, and then we print the temperature and humidity. And this is how we create an Arduino code.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Nafia bint Amin and I am gonna be talking about this circuit. For this circuit we need Arduino, DSD element sensor, resistor, virtual terminal and COM physical interface module. We picked the components from Proteus as needed. First we connected to this power module and then to the ground. Then we set the value of the resistor. We connect this 2 pin from the data line to the Arduino 2 pin. Then we connect RX pin of virtual terminal to the TX pin of Arduino. The TXT has to be connected with the TXT and RXT with this RXT. This way we create the final circuit. We upload the hex file in this Arduino, and then if we simulate, we will be able to see the temperature and humidity value in the virtual terminal window, which will be shown later.
Hello everyone, I am Amit Dashgupta. I will talk about the lab view part. Here we have used a thermometer for temperature and a meter scale for humidity and 2 wave charts and a table control. Now let's go to the show block diagram. So this is the block diagram. Here we have used many stuffs, like we have used a table control and a visual source name, and we have changed this into 500 milliseconds, and we have added our IDs as elements to this array. Now we have to check if the loop condition is false. As you can see, it's false. Now we can run this program. So there is no error showing. So let's go to the chart. Here we can see
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zarin Tasneem Trami, and now I'll be presenting the final demo of our project. Here in virtual serial port driver, we paired COM1 and COM2. Then after compiling the code, we get a link. This link we pasted here, and here we selected the physical port COM1. Then here we select COM2. We load it, and we can see that date, time, and all our IDs are updating, but there is no change in temperature and humidity. So for that, we have to run the simulation in Proteus, and in the virtual terminal, we can see that the temperature and humidity is showing successfully. Now, when we are increasing the temperature, we can see that here it's rising, there is a rise, and when we are decreasing the temperature, we can see that there is a fall here, and we can see the same with our humidity when we are increasing it. it's rising, and when we are decreasing it, it's falling down. And our thermometer and the humidity gauge is also working successfully. Our proteus, LabView, and virtual comport, everything is working successfully. So this is all from our side. Thank you so much.